Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Yok Boon. Today I'd like to share with you on how to pull all data related to one condition from a list of data is in grouping like 1 group 2 3 4. It's grouping data. Okay, so let's say I put here 2, only one item. Okay, one item, so I put here 3, 4 items, 4 items, put here 4, so 2 items. Okay, so this one is all done by Excel spreadsheet, no VBA involved. So how to do this? Okay, let's say we go here. Okay, we start in like this and put here. Okay, so here we put here offset equal offset. Okay, then reference to this, then we log, use F4 key to log the cell, comma. Okay, so we want to mesh the document too, so we use mesh document 2, we log in this. Okay, then we log this, comma, then exact mesh. Okay, then this one is for row, then column we offset by 0, comma 0. Okay, so enter. So we have document 3, so that means it's not right because it should be document 2. Why? Because we use mesh, it will take until document 2, but in offset it becomes 6 already. So in order to solve this, we minus 1. So we have document 2. Okay, so in this method we use, you see, offset, there are 5 parameters, but the height and the width they are optional. Only we use 3, the reference, row, columns. So now we want to use 5 parameters. That means we want to put the height and the width. Okay, so that means the width is only single column, so width is always 1, but the height varies depending on the the number of data. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, so for this one we put here that to the last, then we comma. Okay, we put the height first 2, then the width 1. Okay, we enter, because it's got value. Okay, value because it for 5 parameters offset function, it is a virtual range. That means it's 2 by 1 virtual range. So it's not it is cannot be displayed. It can be used with other Excel function. Okay, so that means if I put 2 here, right, so I change to 3, it's still error. Okay, so because these 2 are, let's say for this 2 is you key in, we want to based on this document to find it how many. Okay, so to find this okay, we know that if let's say I use mesh function with the exact mesh, it will come for document 3, it will come here. So if let's say I use instead of the mesh, I use 1 here, so the 1 it will come to the last document. So that means it's 9 and 6. Okay, so if 9 minus 6 is 3, so I still short of 1, so I have to add by 1, so it's become 4. Okay, so to do this, okay, these 2 I delete first. I use mesh, M-A-T-C-H, mesh this, I fix, comma, in this. Okay, log it, comma, Now is I put 1, so it comes to the last one, it's number 9 here. So minus mesh this, I log, comma, mesh this, I log, comma. So now instead of 1 I put 0, exact. Okay, so I enter. C value because of the virtual data. So because I need to add 1, sorry, I need to add 1 to become 4. Okay, add 1, so it's okay. So now I have this, the 5 parameters already. Okay, so if let's say I want to copy for, because here a column here, okay, that means I still put 0. Okay, later we will see this. So now this one becomes a virtual range. Okay, virtual range based with one column only. See, with one column, the width. Okay, so then this range can be indexed. I put the index here. Okay, so that means this one is a array. Okay, become array. Okay, comma. Okay, so the index for the first one, I want to have a number 1. Okay, the row number I want to have number 1. So but because now I have row number 2, I put row minus 1. Okay, then column I put 0, enter. Now I have document 3 already, because just now it's a virtual, now it can use for this, so I pull down. Okay, so now I have all this already. Okay, document 3, let's say I check here, document 1, I check here, document. So this one reference error, I just put if error. Yeah. Okay, then I copy again. Okay, no error already. Okay, so this one is for document. If let's say I pull here for name, I still have the same. Why? Because my offset is 0. Okay, so I don't want this, I want the offset 0. Okay, so for offset it move, let's say. Okay, so now for this 0 we can use column. So now we start with I, right? So we put column minus 9, because we start with column I is 9. So column I is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay, then enter. So okay, then we pull here. There we go. Then J is 10 minus like that. Okay, so then we have all. Then we check and see the number 2, number 3, see number 4. Okay, so we have all this one already. Okay, so if you like my channel, thank you.